Alright guys, so today we have a great news for BONK coins. As we have guys a massive news. Coinbase right now added BONK to its roadmap of assets to get listed soon on Coinbase, which is very bullish here for BONK. Now in today's video guys, we're gonna talk about BONK price action and most importantly how high can BONK go here. Should you buy, should you sell BONK, what should you do with it? And as well guys, I'm gonna share with you, for those that missed BONK, missed those rallies, what is the next BONK, what could be those next meme coins to get into before we see those huge rallies as well here. And as usual guys, if you enjoy this type of videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to stay updated, and let's get into the video. Alright, so here guys, we've seen recently BONK from the lows to the highs pull a 75x, which is massive guys, and this is the exact reason why I love meme coins. Meme coins guys, they keep pulling those massive gains, and yet people still get it wrong here guys. People still get it wrong. There is a massive amount of money to be made here in the crypto space, and especially on the meme coins guys. If you just get this one right, if you just master the skill of investing in meme coins in this bull market, that's it guys. That's our ticket to freedom, to wealth, to everything, is those meme coins. Forget about all these fundamental coins that people are telling you that these coins that are gonna solve world's problems and they're gonna be this huge innovation and whatever. Just focus on meme coins here guys. As you can see, 75x on BONK here this year. Probably this is the best gainer this year by far, is BONK. Now 75x, that's a massive pump. Now here guys, first of all I'm gonna address those that are in profits on BONK here. So we're gonna talk, we need to talk with people. As I've mentioned BONK in one of my previous meme coin videos of top meme coins to buy, and BONK was one of them. So since BONK pumped right now, so I'm gonna have to update those that got into BONK first now. So if you are in profits on BONK here, probably you're thinking, should you sell, should you hold? Now here we need to understand guys, let's go to that Pepe coin chart, and we need to understand something, and we need to be rational here please guys. We need to really keep our heads down here and understand what's going on. Now if we look at that Pepe coin chart here guys, now Pepe coin has seen some sort of the same rally that BONK did. Now as soon as Pepe coin got listed on Binance, now Pepe coin has seen some sort of a sideways action. Now a lot of people that hold Pepe coin right now wished they could have sold at least 50% of their holdings here and bought at the lows here. They wish they could have done that. Now usually guys, when any coin get listed on a major exchange, it sees some sort of a retrace. Now if you remember, I made a previous video, I told you guys I'm gonna take some profits on BONK, and I did, and now since then it's seeing a retrace. I'm taking some profits as I've bought here. I bought here some BONK and I took 50% off, and I'm gonna buy on the dips. Now don't freak out, don't start to think already that this is going to zero. That's not what I mean here. What I mean here guys is we've just seen a massive rally. I'm in massive profits, and you probably are too if you are one of the people that bought at these lows. And we're looking right now at Coinbase listing BONK. Now when a coin gets listed on an exchange, it sees a drop like we've seen here with Pepe coin, and this was around an 80% drop, so that's not to be taken lightly. Now if we see an 80% drop on BONK here guys, that's not gonna look great. That's gonna be somewhere here, that's gonna put BONK somewhere here, somewhere around that 28.9. Now of course you'll probably still be in profits if you're buying the lows, but here guys we need to understand one thing, and as I keep saying, we need to keep our heads down, we need to stay grounded, and we need to think, what's the logic here, what are we trying to achieve here? We're trying to make as much money of these markets as possible, and we're trying to be smart here. So if in fact we see that listing happening, most likely we're gonna see a retrace on BONK. We don't know exactly how far it's gonna go, but we're most likely gonna see a retrace. That's why guys, if you're in profits, take some profit, just take some profits. You can either reinvest on BONK, or there are so many other projects, promising projects that could pull as well a 50, 70x, 100x. So you want to rotate, you want to be smart this bull market. As I said guys, this is our chance here, this is our chance, this bull market, these meme coins. If you are in meme coins, you're already in the right place right now in the crypto space. And those meme coins guys, they have the potential of changing lives. So that's when it comes to those that are in profits. Now for those that have bought the top. Now probably you are freaking out right now. BONK is down from the tops here. It's down around 35%, right? So if you're down 35% on BONK, you're probably freaking out now, especially I just told you maybe we could see an 80% dump. Now, these are all probabilities, guys, and what you need to understand is we could still see some rally. Now, I'm just gonna remind you what happened with Pepe coin, and usually it's the same thing that repeats again and again. Now, Pepe coin here, you're gonna need to understand this. Now, Pepe coin got listed first on BitGet here. It's seen a rally, it got listed on Bybit here, and then it's seen another rally, and it got listed on Binance, and then it sees the drop. Now, if you bought here, you probably have one last chance to take profits if you bought here. Now, as soon as it gets listed, usually we see a last squeeze up. So we're probably gonna see another push up, maybe a 50%, a 30%, a 35%, we don't know. Now, if it gets listed on Coinbase, we're gonna see that last push up or that last squeeze up. So you wanna be thinking about taking some profits. Now, a 50% pump, that's not bad. Still, that's pretty good to see if that happens. Now, a lot of people are gonna be wondering as well why this happens. Why, when we get a huge exchange listing, we see drops like we've seen here on Pepe coin. So let me clean this chart on Pepe coin. Why we see this? Why we see this? Well, you need to understand, guys, there are a lot of people that get early. A lot of people get early here. A lot of people join here. Some people have 6 figures. Some people have 6 figures worth of that coin, and then it sees a rally. It sees a rally of, like here, Pepe coin has seen a 20x. Now, if you put 100K there on that dip, you now have $2 million. Now, to sell those $2 million, you need an exchange because the liquidity on Uniswap or PancakeSwap is pretty low, and it's hard to sell 2 million on chain or on those dexes. It's pretty hard because the liquidity is not that strong, but an exchange has market makers, has their own automated trading that helps with liquidity and help you sell if you are a big whale. If you have 2 million, 5 million here on BONK, it helps you sell. That's why big wallets, they sell, guys, they sell. Those people have a lot of money. They don't care about the coins. They sell. They have millions and millions, and they're waiting for that exchange listing so they can sell, because now there is liquidity. They can sell. There are market makers and whatnot. So you need to understand here, guys, what we have going on with BONK is BONK just pumped 75x, 7,500%, a 75x. Now, imagine people that bought just $10,000 worth of BONK here, guys. They are sitting on 750,000 or almost close to $1 million. Imagine those that bought 6 figures here, 100K. They are looking at 7 million and a half, 7 million and a half here, guys. And to sell that, they actually need exchanges, they need market makers, they need all that stuff going on. They need that infrastructure to sell. That is why it happens, guys. That is why when a coin gets listed on an exchange, it sees a retrace, and then we see some price action, some sideways, and then we see the real pump when the retail comes. That's why I keep saying as well for Pepe coin. Now, Pepe coin is not done. Pepe coin, actually right now, Pepe coin is going on to that curve up. Now, Pepe coin is finally recovering from that whale selling and all that stuff, and it's gonna start its own rally. And that's probably what's gonna happen with BONK, guys. Now, with BONK, I'm not saying BONK is dead, it's going to zero or whatever. I'm just saying that people that invested a lot of money here are gonna sell because now they can, because now they have the exchanges that they can sell to. Now, with that said, guys, how high can BONK go? Now, if we go here to CoinMarketCap, BONK is trending, is now top trending. First, in the first spot, BONK is the most trending coin right now. And now if we go to that top meme coins by market cap, now recently BONK has jumped to that 3rd spot, taking away Pepe coin from the 3rd spot. Now right now Pepe coin is on the 4th spot and Floki is on that 5th spot. Now to make things clear here, guys, any coin here that you see, those meme coins, they are all gonna do really great in the bull market. In my opinion, they're gonna do really great in the bull market. They're gonna see rallies, they're gonna probably go back to their all-time highs, and they're gonna do all that. Now what you need to understand is, to really make it in this crypto space, guys, is we need to follow the money. We don't need to be holding and wasting time, because we really have maybe a year and a half or 2 years where things are just gonna be going up and up, and we want to capitalize on that as much as possible. Instead of wasting time on one coin or 2 coins or 3 coins, we want to be going to the next coin and the next coin. As soon as we make profits on a coin, go to another one. Anyways, that's not my point. My point here now is BONK is now on the 3rd spot. Now recently BONK has seen a market cap of 700 million. Now it's down to the 600 million. Pepe coin has seen an increase. Pepe coin was around 450 million. Now Pepe coin is seeing an increase with 568 million. Now you're gonna ask me what's going on. BONK lost 100 million. Pepe coin gained 100 million. That's what you need to understand, guys. The big guys, that's what they're doing. They got done with BONK right now. They're gonna rotate. They're gonna buy other coins. They're probably gonna jump on Pepe coin, as Pepe coin right now is looking like it wants up again. So that's what's going on here. Now BONK recently jumped here. Does this mean BONK is done? Can BONK go higher? Of course BONK can go higher, guys. Of course this can happen. Now BONK now showed to the world, to the crypto space, that it is a strong coin on that Solana chain. And that's it, guys. That's all a coin needs to do, just like Pepe coin, to be sitting comfortably waiting for the bull market. So these coins are very likely to get picked up when we get that mass euphoria happening in the market. BONK, Pepe coin, Floki are on that list, guys. If you've been following me, you know I've been talking about these coins forever right now. Now BONK, even Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, those we don't even need to talk about them. They're pretty much established by now. We all know Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, they're probably gonna go back to their all-time highs. But the point here, guys, if Shiba Inu goes back to its all-time high, it's probably like a 20x. And you don't want to be waiting 2 years, wasting probably the best years in the crypto space, waiting for Shiba Inu to do a 20x. Or Dogecoin, maybe Dogecoin could be that big coin, that's a special case. But BONK, Pepe, Floki, these could be doing 50x's from here, or another 100x. It's pretty possible that BONK could pull a $50 billion market cap, Pepe coin could pull a $50 billion market cap, Floki could pull a $50 billion market cap, which is all about 100x from here. Now the point here, guys, is how high can BONK go? Now the question is probably in your mind, is BONK gonna go higher in the future in the bull market? The answer is yes, but the real question here is, now we just seen a 75%, a 7,500% pump on BONK. Now are you waiting for another 1,000% to happen quickly? So we all know, guys, we want to make that money quick. We want to get rich quick. We don't want to wait years. That's what's up here, guys. Now if BONK gets listed on an exchange, it's gonna see probably another 6 months of nothing going on. It's just like Pepe coin. Now if we look at Pepe coin, how long since that Binance listing, Pepe coin has just been going sideways. And now since that Binance listing, Pepe coin has been going sideways right now, guys, for 224 days. That's more than 6 months, guys. That's more than 6 months where Pepe coin is just going sideways. Now you can imagine that people that hold Pepe coin or bought Pepe coin at these highs must be pretty frustrated, especially if they didn't follow me and if they didn't buy the dips here and got in profits after. That's what's gonna happen here with BONK. So the question here, what do you want to do? Do you want to wait another year? Like let's say we see another push up and then stay on BONK for a year, and then you see another maybe 100x or 50x, which is great, right? What you want to do is up to you. I'm just telling you guys, I'm just the messenger. I'm just showing you what could happen here and what's most likely to happen. So just stay ready and stay prepared. Now if you just want to sit on your hand and do nothing, that's up to you. That's still fine. We're still in early stages of the bull market. You are still gonna see mass euphoria. BONK, Pepe coin, Shiba Inu, BONK, these coins probably are not gonna go to zero right now. They're pretty established. They're getting listed on major exchanges, which pretty much is something that reduces the risk, which is pretty good. Now the news that BONK is getting listed on Coinbase is a very good news, because guys, it shows that BONK is a safe asset, or somewhat safe asset, considering that it's a meme coin and it's a crypto coin. So that pretty much reduces the risk. But as well, guys, it reduces the upside, especially after a huge pump. And all the whales are gonna be selling on you, guys. All the whales that bought here 6 figures are in millions right now in profits, and they can't sell on they can't go to that Solana chain and sell because the liquidity is a problem. So now the liquidity is gonna be solved with the exchange, and they're gonna sell. And it's gonna take a long time here before we see rallies again on BONK. The same thing that's happening on Pepe coin right now, guys. So that's what you wanna avoid, guys. You wanna avoid thinking like the masses. You wanna avoid thinking, okay, BONK is up 75x, I want to buy because now I'm thinking it's gonna keep going. No. Maybe I'm gonna be wrong and it's gonna go another, I don't know, can it pull another 75x here, guys, or a 50x? That means, guys, the market cap here is standing at 600 million. Just to get another 10x, you need a $6 billion market cap. You need to take out Shiba Inu right now. Now in 2-3 weeks, you need to take out Shiba Inu. You need to somehow raise $6 billion. So do you imagine this is possible right now? Or do you think what's most likely to happen is that the whale are gonna be selling and they're gonna rotate to other coins? They're probably gonna buy Pepe coin, Floki, or some other coins here down below. What's most likely to happen after these people sell millions of these coins? They're probably gonna try to buy. They don't want to pay taxes on those gains. They're gonna try to buy the next coin. You want to be following that big money and what they're doing, and what they're doing is exactly that, guys. They're gonna be selling and going to the next coin because they don't want to pay taxes on those huge gains, so they want to buy another coin, another investment, write that off. So the thing here, guys, is, as I said, this is the plan. Is BONK going higher? Definitely. Definitely. Can BONK see some short-term sideway action just being boring again? That is the most likely scenario, guys. And then we see the rallies after in the future. So I'm just saying you don't want to waste 220 days waiting. That's all I'm saying here. Are we going to see rallies? Yes, but you don't want to be waiting 220 days waiting for that rally to happen. Now, if you are at a loss, as I said, if you're at a loss, you still have one more chance here, is that we are going to get listed on Coinbase, and then you want to take some profits. That's what you want to do, guys. Now, nobody knows exactly what's going to happen, but that's why there is something called taking profits. Now, if you are in profits, as soon as you know your profits, you want to sell 50%. That's always what I do, guys. I sell 50%. Now, as soon as I have 50%, now I'm good. Now, I know I made profits. Now I have 50%. Now I have some more money to buy the next coin. So what I do usually, I go and I look for the next coin. So what I do, I go to that coin market cap. I go to the trending again, and I repeat the same thing. Now I go to the trending. Now, because I'm immersed in that crypto space every day, I pretty much know most of the coins here. Now something's gonna pick up my interest. Now I know that Sats is on that Bitcoin chain. That's Ordinals, recently launched. Now Bitcoin chain is the tank right now. It's competing with Ethereum, it's competing with Solana, it's competing with AVAX, just like any other chain. There is that Sats. Now Sats got listed on Binance 2 days ago, or yesterday got listed on Binance. Sats, it's a coin on that Ordinals or on that BRC20 coin on that Bitcoin chain. Now it's pulling a $1 billion market cap. It's seen a pump. Now when I see this, I'm like, all right, that's interesting. Let me look what's going on here. I'm scrolling. I know these coins. Now I see rats. And it says Ordinals. Tells me something. Okay, rats and Ordinals, something had to do with Bitcoin chain. I'm gonna look into it. Rats sounds like a meme coin. That's what I love. Now I go to that rats. I see that chart is pumping. It's going up. It's beginning. It's starting. The market cap is around $159 million market cap, which is pretty low. It's about 6x away from BONK. Now I'm thinking, okay, this coin is the next hot thing, right? I'm looking at the 7-day. I see this huge massive rally. What's going on? I wonder what's going on here with this rats. I go to their Twitter page. I see it's a meme coin, meme token on the Bitcoin chain. I look a bit on their Telegram page. Now I see another big project is following them, followed by PIP, which is a project as well as I'm invested into that is backed by Coinbase. That is as well a gem. If you don't know about it, look into that coin. Now I see those things and I'm like, all right, what's going on? I go back to the coin market cap. I look where it's listed. Now I see it's listed on KuCoin, Gate.io, BitGet, pretty good exchanges, L-Bank, listed as well on BingX. I'm like, all right, so this could be the next thing to pump, especially it's on the trending and the rally has just started. And I just seen that Sats, that BRC20 also getting listed on Binance recently. Ordinal coins are getting listed on Binance. So I'm thinking this could be the next thing. I'm gonna buy some of that. That's how I think, guys. And you jump into the next thing. I'm gonna take that 50% off that BONK and I'm gonna diversify it into other meme coins that I think are the next thing, like rats right now, like Grok recently as well. And we have Toshi as well. Now is pumping. $27 million market cap. The first time I talked about this coin was at $10 million market cap. Why this coin? Toshi is the name of Brian Armstrong cat. Brian Armstrong is the Coinbase CEO, and Toshi was on that Base chain. Base chain is basically the Coinbase chain, something like Binance chain. The Coinbase chain is the top meme coin on that chain, and that Coinbase chain is so undervalued right now. People are not looking into it right now. People are busy with Solana chain right now. So those are the coins I'm looking at right now. When I see BONK rallying 75x, I'm more bullish on other meme coins because I'm thinking, okay, now all this money is gonna flow to other meme coins. So I want to place myself there. I want to wait for that money to come to me. I don't want to chase the price. All right, guys, that's the mindset to have. Now you want to make sure as well to follow my channel, subscribe. I'm keeping you guys updated with these new coins. You don't want to be missing those coins. When you see those rallies, guys, what you should be thinking is, how can I catch the next one? Not try to chase this one here, especially after we've just seen Coinbase talking about BONK listing. That's it, guys. Usually that's the time to be bearish, not bullish, right? And I just explained to you these whales, guys, these whales are not gonna have no pity, guys. These guys have no pity. These whales, they are millions of dollars in profits and they need to sell, and they are gonna do it. Just look at the volume here, guys. This volume here, they've been selling already, and we're gonna see an even higher volume spike like we've seen on Pepe coin. Now look at the highest volume spike here is on the exchanges, and that's what's gonna happen. Anyways, guys, I would love to know as well if you have any meme coins in mind. Leave them in the comment section. I'm doing some deep research right now on meme coins. Every week I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the meme coins I find as I do want you to really succeed. I want us all to succeed here in the starting bull market, guys, and meme coins are the way to go. I'm gonna be that guy, guys. I'm gonna be finding those meme coins, and I need as well your help. You leave me in the comment section. I see you also talking about Me Lady projects as well. Now, Me Lady as well is a great meme coin. I just do think right now money is flowing somewhere else, and as I said, I'm following money somewhere else, and as soon as I see the money coming towards Me Lady, I'm gonna jump into Me Lady as well before that money comes into it. But right now, as I see, guys, the money is still on that Solana, and it's most likely gonna go towards BRC20 coins next. As if we go to that trending, guys, we see those Bitcoin chain coins are pumping right now, and they are getting listed. So that's where the attention at right now. That's where the money is going. So probably Rats is gonna see another maybe 10x now here, and then we can jump into another coin. Now you let me know in the comment section what coins are you looking at as well. I'm gonna keep them on my watch list as well. We're gonna keep monitoring those. Now as well, guys, for those that like to use exchanges to buy these meme coins and you want to be first to jump on these coins, I personally use BINGX. Now BINGX has been a great exchange recently, and you do have a great bonus on your deposit if you use my link below. I'll leave you the link below, guys. You can find a lot of meme coins here on that BINGX exchange. It's a pretty good exchange right now. You don't need no KYC, none of that stuff. I'll leave you the link in the description for those that are interested. Now we're gonna wrap it up here, guys. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comment section. You can as well join my Discord. Link in the description is free to join. And as usual, nothing is financial advice, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.